For this mini, I was inspired by both Singer Vehicle Designs, who customize Porsches, and also David Brown Automotive, who has a redesigned and remanufactured mini of this sort. Now I'm combining both with a bit of my own style, pretty much just keeping the same lines of the body, just enhancing it a bit, making it a bit more modern, and cleaning it up. The first thing I wanted to do was clean up all of these lines on the body. They are supposed to be chrome and some painted on, and I kind of wanted to have it look a bit more clean, so it was time to shave it all off. I'm using my rotary tool to clean it up quickly, and then I will refine it with some sandpaper and sanding sticks afterwards. Once all the rough work was done, I needed to clean it up a bit, but before that I wanted to mark it all up with a permanent marker to show where I had to clean it up, and also use that marker as a guide coat, because once I start sanding off the marker, some of the low spots will appear as they will remain black, and I know I need to keep sanding and cleaning up. For the first stage in cleaning up, I took out some sanding sticks to do all the rougher work, and then we'll refine it later with some sandpaper. I also needed to clean up some of the panel lines, as I removed the hinges from the doors and needed to make the panel line go through, so I needed to saw it out and also scribe it out to make it a nice clean panel line without an interruption in between from that hinge that is no longer there. With those hinge locations now all cleaned up, I could move on to scribing out the rest of the panel lines to make them a bit deeper and just to clean it up in general. Before moving on to the primer stage, I needed to sand the entire body with some 600 grit to get rid of those rougher scratches from the first couple stages, and also just to scuff up the body in order to make the primer stick. After shaving off all of those moldings on the body, I needed to fill those back up a bit and also be sure that the entire body was nice and straight. In order to do that, I took out some 2K primer. This is a bit thicker and also acts as a bit of a filler, and I'm going to be applying a couple coats and sanding those in between just to make sure that I'm on the right track. The first coat is on, so it's time to let it cure for about 24 hours before checking over the body. And after doing so, I still found a couple spots that showed through, so these of course needs to be sanded back smooth with the rest of the body, just using some 600 grit. And after going over all of those spots, I'm going to be applying a second round of the 2K primer. I again had to let this coat dry for about 24 hours, checked over it again, sanded it smooth with some 600 grit. It was all good, and time to move on to the next stage, and that is just a regular coat of primer. I let the primer cure for about 15 minutes, then sanded it all smooth with some 3000 grit sanding sponges. Now that the body is all nice and smooth, I picked out a color. It's an original color from the Mini Coopers, the current generation, which I really liked, so I went with it. First coat is applied, it's covering nicely, so about 10 minutes of curing time in between, then onto the second coat. After applying the second coat, I was pretty sure everything was covered, but just to be sure, another 10 minutes of drying time and a third coat. The third coat was applied, so I cleaned out the airbrush and painted the roof white. Once every body part and piece was painted in their color, it was time to let it sit for about 15 minutes and then move on to mixing the clear coat and making it all nice and shiny.